Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 2nd of April 2021 and in this video we are going to see the important current affairs from 2nd of April 2021. Our first question is Mithali Express is a train between India and Dash. Answer is option number 3, India and Bangladesh. Mithali Express is a train between India and Bangladesh, and this Mithali Express is a new passenger train connecting Dhaka and New Jalpaiguri on the Indian side. It was recently inaugurated jointly by Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi and PM of Bangladesh Sheikh Hasina via video conference. This is the third passenger train after Maitri Express and Bandhan Express running between the two neighboring countries. The new inter-country passenger train was launched on the occasion of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman's birth century and Golden Jubilee of Bangladesh independence. The train will run between Dhaka and New Jalpaiguri in the West Bengal via Chilahati, a border railway station in Bangladesh. Answer will be option number 3, Bangladesh. Bangladesh, look at map. This is Bangladesh. Capital is Dhaka. President is Abdul Hamid. PM is Sheikh Hasina and currency of Bangladesh is Taka. Next question is Neelam Sahani has been appointed as the new election commissioner of Dash. Answer is option number 1, Andhra Pradesh. Look at the image. This is Neelam Sahani and recently she has been appointed as the new election commissioner in Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh, look at map. This is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is the first state to be formed on linguistic basis in India on 1st of October 1953. Capital is Amravati. Governor is Vishwabhushan Harichandan. CM is YS Jaganmohan Reddy. Its legislature has 175 plus 58 members. That is in Vidhan Sabha there are 175 and in Vidhan Parishad there are 58 members. 25 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 11 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Andhra Pradesh. It borders with Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Godavari and Krishna are the main rivers of Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi is the cultural dance form of Andhra Pradesh and it has the second largest coastline in India after Gujarat of about 974 kilometers. Next, who among the following has been recently awarded with 2020 Saraswati Samman? What is Saraswati Samman? Saraswati Samman is an annual award for outstanding prose or poetry literary work in any of 22 languages of India listed in Schedule 8 of the Constitution of India. It was established in 1991. It was established in 1991 by KK Birla Foundation and it consists of 50 lakh cash and a citation, and the inaugural award was given to Harivansh Rai Bachchan in 1991 and in 2020 this award has been given to Limbale for his 2018 Marathi novel titled Sanatan. So answer will be option number 4, Sharan Kumar Limbale. Next, who among the following has been appointed as the new brand ambassador of Switzerland tourism? Answer is option number 4, Roger Federer. Look at the image. This is Roger Federer. He is a Swiss professional tennis player and recently he has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Switzerland tourism. Now he will work to promote Switzerland globally. Answer will be option number 4. Next question is which of the following has been announced as the official song of 2022 ICC Women's World Cup? Answer is option number 3, Girl Gang. Girl Gang, a track by New Zealand singer Jean Wegmore, has been announced as the official song of the 2022 ICC Women's World Cup, and this World Cup is set to be hosted in New Zealand from March 4 to April 3rd, 2022. Answer will be option number 3. Next question is recently in which of the following state Shahid Ashfaq Ullah Khan Zoological Park has been inaugurated? Answer is option number 2, Uttar Pradesh. Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh Yogi Adityanath has recently inaugurated Shahid Ashfaq Ullah Khan Zoological Park in Gorakhpur in Uttar Pradesh. This is the first zoo in Purvanchal and third in the state. The zoo has been named after the great freedom fighter Shahid Ashfaq Ullah Khan, and India is celebrating 75th anniversary of the independence of India as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav this year, and it is a tribute to great freedom fighter. This zoo will provide entertainment and learning to the people, and it has also opened the possibilities of tourism in the region. So answer will be option number 2, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh, look at web. This is Uttar Pradesh. Capital is Lucknow. Governor is Anandimel Patel and Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh is Yogi Adityanath. It is the fourth largest state by area and first by population in India. It borders with Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Delhi, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Jharkhand and Nepal, and Ganga, Yamuna, Betwa, Ken, Chambal, Ghagra, Gomit, Son are the main rivers of Uttar Pradesh. Next question is, which of the following day has recently been celebrated as 86th Foundation Day of Odisha? Answer is option number 3, 1st April. Recently, 1st April has been celebrated as 86th Foundation Day of Odisha. It is also called Utkal Divas. And it was on this day in 1936 that the state came into existence. The state was carved out of the combined Bengal, Bihar, Odisha province. Answer will be option number 3, 1st April. Odisha, look at map. This is Odisha. Capital is Bhubaneswar. Governor is Ganeshi Lal. CM is Naveen Patnaik. Its legislature has 147 members. 21 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 10 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Odisha. It borders with West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Andhra Pradesh, and Mahanadi is the main river of Odisha. Next question is, what will be India's GDP growth rate in the next financial year as predicted by World Bank? Answer is option number 4, 10.1%. Recently, the World Bank has published its report titled South Asia Economic Focus Spring Update Report, and in this report, World Bank has raised India's GDP growth prediction for 2021-22 fiscal year to 10.1% from 5.4% projected in January 2021. So answer will be option number 4. What is World Bank? World Bank is an international financial institution that provides loans and grants to the governments of low and middle income countries for the purpose of pursuing capital projects. It was founded in July 1944. Headquarters is in Washington DC. Currently, President is David Malpass, CFO is Anshula Kant, and motto of World Bank is working for a world free of poverty. Next question is, Rishabh Pant has been appointed as the captain of Dash for 2021 IPL. Answer is option number 4, Delhi Capitals. Rishabh Pant has been appointed as the captain of Delhi Capitals for 2021 IPL. Earlier, Shreyas Iyer was the captain of Delhi Capitals, but he has been ruled out of the season after he dislocated his left shoulder during the ODI series against England. And now captain will be Rishabh Pant for Delhi Capitals. What is IPL? Long form is Indian Premier League. It is an professional T20 cricket league founded by BCCI in 2007. Answer will be option number 4, Delhi Capitals. Next question is, Vajra Prahar is a joint military exercise between India and which of the following country? Answer is option number 2, America. Vajra Prahar is a joint military exercise between India and America. Recently, 11th edition of this exercise has been conducted at Special Forces Training School located at Bakloh in Himachal Pradesh. This joint exercise by the special forces of both countries is conducted alternatively in India and USA. 10th edition of this exercise was held in USA, and recently 11th edition of this exercise has been held in India in Himachal Pradesh. So answer will be option number 2, America. Next question is, which of the following day is celebrated as Rajasthan Day? Answer is option number 3, 13th March. Every year 13th March is celebrated as Rajasthan Day. Rajasthan, look at map. This is Rajasthan. Capital is Jaipur. Governor is Kalraj Mishra. CM is Ashok Gehlot. Its legislature has 200 members. 25 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 10 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Rajasthan. It borders with Punjab, Haryana, UP, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. It is the largest state by area in India and 5th largest by population in India, and the Panchayat Raj was first adopted in Nagaur district in Rajasthan on 2nd of October 1959. Now, answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, which of the following day has recently been celebrated as Global Recycling Day? Answer is option number 2, 18th March. Every year 18th March is celebrated as Global Recycling Day annually. Answer will be option number 2, 18th March. Now today's question is, as per the SIPRI report, which of the following country has become the largest arm importing country? Options are Saudi Arab, India, Pakistan and South Korea. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss this question in the next video.